In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with a vendor on Bill.com. Connecting with your vendors inside Bill.com is a key step to streamlining your payments and reducing manual work. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, from choosing the vendor to sending the invitation, so you can feel confident everything is set up correctly. First, sign in to your Bill.com account and head over to the Vendors section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation menu. This is where all of your vendor records live. Here, you can either add a brand new vendor or choose one that already exists in your list. If you're just starting out, you might need to create a new vendor profile. If you've been using Bill.com for a while, it's likely the vendor is already there, and you can simply select their name. If you're adding a new vendor, you'll be prompted to enter their details. This typically includes basic information such as their business name and, importantly, their email address. That email is how Bill.com will invite them to connect, so make sure it's one they actually monitor for payment or accounting purposes. If they're already in your vendor list, click on their name to open their profile and review the information that's there. Once you're viewing the vendor's details, look for an option that says something like Invite to Connect or Set up e-payments. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but it will be clearly related to enabling electronic payments or connecting through the Bill.com network. Select that option to begin the connection process. Bill.com will now search its network to see if your vendor already has an existing account. If Bill.com finds potential matches, you'll see a list of businesses that might be your vendor. Carefully review the names and any available details, then select the match that corresponds to your vendor and choose Confirm. If you don't see a match or you're not sure any of the options are correct, choose My Vendor Isn't Listed here to move forward without linking to an existing profile. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the vendor's email address. Take a moment to double-check this, since a typo here means they won't receive the invitation. You'll also have the option to customize the invitation message. This is a good place to briefly explain that you'll be paying them through Bill.com and that accepting the invite will help speed up payments. When everything looks good, select Send Invitation or Yes, Email Vendor. Once that's sent, your vendor will receive an email with instructions to connect. After they accept, you'll be able to pay them more efficiently through Bill.com.